I was given these drinks to try and I'm so excited because I'm all about gut health. So let's taste test them. Okay, it is your daily dose of resilience. This first one is the pineapple passion fruit ginger. It's really refreshing, definitely has that pineapple taste to it. The ginger helps with digestion, which is great. Ginger is in all of these three. Their main ingredient is maple water, which is kind of surprising because you don't really taste that maple syrup taste that you might think of. There's no sugar and no stevia in this, which I really appreciate. Pretty low calorie as well. This one is the lemon, lime, and ginger. Ooh, that one's really good. Okay, I really like that. Nice, like refreshing lemon, lime, almost like a sparkling kind of lemonade. It's not like super bubbly, but it does have a little bit of bubbles. And then this last one is our watermelon, blood orange, and ginger. So it is a sparkling probiotic or prebiotic drink, and it does have electrolytes in it. So if you are working out a lot or you're just feeling dehydrated, that can really help. Okay, that one's really nice too. Has a nice aftertaste of the watermelon in it. I don't taste a ton of the blood orange, but I do taste that watermelon and a little bit of the ginger. They're all really, really good. I love the clean ingredients in them, and I love the benefits of the prebiotics and the electrolytes, and of course the ginger as well. So I think you're gonna really like them too.